Hi, in this video we'd like to talk about a common condition that many young women suffer but not really know that they have this condition. So today's topic is talking about abnormal abdominal mass. So what does this mean is that you find that you feel some swelling, you observe some bloating of your belly, but first of all you are not pregnant and you are not obese. This bloating happens suddenly and you believe that it's because you have gained some weight recently, probably due to some diet, maybe not consistently exercising, or maybe some patients even believe that they have gotten pregnant because it looks like a baby bump. But in reality, when you go for examination, this is very important. Examination is the only way we can diagnose, because usually these things, if nobody alerts you, nobody brings you any awareness, many women don't even know that they have this condition. They just let this swelling and abdominal bloating, just let it be for years upon years. So usually the underlying cause, if you're not pregnant, if you're not regularly obese, it could be a potential cyst within the pelvic cavity, specifically ovarian cyst. That is what's causing this swelling, this abdominal bloating. The important thing about ovarian cyst is that it has no symptoms at all. That is why many women are not even aware they have this condition, but the belly keeps on increasing in size, swelling, and the pressure is increasing as well. But there's no symptoms of pain, there's no symptoms of any. Women only diagnose themselves or only find out much later when the cyst has already gotten much larger than it was in the early days. Which is why here at the hospital we urge you to go for regular ultrasounds, regular gynecological examinations, so you can catch things earlier. The surgical removal will be much more quicker and much more effective. There's no chance of recurrence as well. So this abdominal mass, the swelling, the belly, is usually caused by this cyst. In gynecological term, we will call this massive ovarian cyst. It is important to know that massive ovarian cyst can affect your ability to ovulate properly, your menstrual cycles. It could cause some abnormalities as well. And especially if you're trying to get pregnant, it can cause some infertility and also recurrent miscarriage. Because it's situated right on top of the ovaries, it affects the egg cells maturation. It also competes nutrients with the pregnancy, blood, glucose. All of these are being sucked off by the ovarian cyst. And because it doesn't bring any symptoms, this cyst grows healthily, happily, with size months after months. It grows massively, which is why it can grow up to the size of the watermelon as well and weighs several kilos. This is when the condition has been much more severe and also only found out much later on. So this condition, it doesn't cause any morbidity in our patients. It may not threaten your life, but it definitely will threaten your quality of life, your appearance, the swelling, the sudden increase in weight that is not related to your body weight, and it can cause other complications as well. So surgery here at Anthea Hospital is to directly remove it using 3D laparoscopic surgery. Usually these types of cysts are containing specific types of liquids, or maybe some form of pus as well. So it's important that we remove both the sac and also the pus so that it doesn't recur once more. And we need to make sure that both ovaries must be confirmed to have no cyst after the procedure. Once the cyst is removed, you will see that you lose an abundant amount of weight. The swelling has been alleviated. You will sense a sense of relief. Your menstrual cycle will come back to normal, and your ability to get pregnant and sustain a full-term pregnancy will restore itself. So it is important to go for regular examinations, especially ultrasound. That is how we find out the presence of these kinds of cysts. So do take note of what you're experiencing with your body and go for regular checkups, because it can affect your menstrual cycle, your pregnancy journey, and leads to infertility and unwanted miscarriages. So get in touch with us for more information about massive ovarian cysts and how we can treat it effectively for you with a full refund guarantee and a success rate up to 95%.